Ciao Tesla people, I just installed a software update, and it's the, let me go again here, it's the 2025.20.3. There are several new features. I just finished a video, so you can check out on my YouTube channel. And now we'll talk about the undocumented changes that people found. In the meantime, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it will help me a lot. So the first change that is undocumented, this is for Model S, Model 3, Model Y, Model X and Cybertruck, is a orange dot near the, well, I'm not moving, so it's an orange dot near the, the speed here, and the camera actually. No, the camera, the battery, okay? And the orange dot, when using a voice command, okay, feature, Tesla will now display an orange dot near the speedometer, letting user know that the vehicle is actively using the microphone. Okay, so it's a privacy warning. Tesla previously displayed the orange dot wherever the vehicle was using the microphone to gather audio data for FSD. So now should be for every time. Well, let me check. Play some music from Radiohead. Yeah, here's the orange dot. Okay, very cool, nice. Let me shut off this. Okay, so it's working, very cool. Now the other change, undocumented, is available worldwide. Dashcam viewer wider view, and it's available for Model S, 3, X, and Y with Ryzen. Okay, the updated Dashcam viewer now includes a button to switch between the full uncropped video or the regular view. The difference between the two views is minor, but if you're trying to identify something during a sentry mode event, it could be useful to have the full uncropped video. This is available for hardware 3, hardware 4 vehicle, but since it relies on the new Dashcam viewer, it requires AMD Ryzen processor. Okay, so let's check it out this guy. So let's go to the cameras. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the viewer. Okay, oh, here is the zoom. Okay, it's like a zoom. You see there are these two arrows. So now I basically zoom in, and now I'm zooming out. It's basically it's a very small zoom. I call it zoom, but let's see, front, back, the back. You see, you have to tap the screen, and you see, zoom out a bit and zoom in. It's very minor, okay? It's not that, you know, I mean, it's good, but it's not a big change. Blind spot camera, and this is available worldwide for Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck. It's undocumented. You can now use the blind spot camera while the camera app is open. Previously, you could not have the camera app and the blind spot camera view open at the same time. Okay, so the camera while the camera app is open. Okay, not sure what it means. I guess it's this guy. No, this guy. You can now use the blind spot camera while the camera app is open. Okay, these are the blind spots. Okay, but I had before. I just did a video for this. Not sure. I think that I already did the. I'm not sure about this change. I think I had already, so not sure what they're talking about. Okay. Dashcam viewer multiple delete. This cool. So it's available worldwide. Model S, 3, X, the new X, and Y, Ryzen, undocumented. In the Tesla recently updated Dashcam viewer, you can now delete multiple Dashcam on Sentry mode videos at once. Simply tap the three dots in the top right corner and select the clips that you like to delete. This feature is limited on the new Dashcam viewer that was added on update 2025.14 for Ryzen-based vehicle. The new Dashcam viewer feature multiple cameras along the button, includes the mosaic view that allows you to view several cameras simultaneously. Okay, so if I go to the camera view, okay, this guy, if I go to the list, I can select 3 dots, okay, and I can select, for example, this guy and this guy and this guy, and then delete. Confirm, yes, and delete those 3. Okay, very cool. So you can delete multiple clips at the same time. And then privacy section now lists the microphone. Tesla has now updated, this is available worldwide for Model S, 3, X, Y, Cybertruck, it's undocumented. Tesla has now added the vehicle use on the microphone during voice commands to the privacy section under control software, camera, and mic. Note, Tesla does not transcribe audio in the vehicle and instead sends the audio clip to its server to be transcribed. Okay, so let's go to the control software, and then there should be a camera, cabin, here, cabin, camera, and microphone. Okay, so if you go there, there is a cabin, camera, and microphone, voice commands here. Okay, so it's there too. Microphone is used when you use the speak commands to the vehicle. Okay, so this is a privacy feature. And then there is another one in service mode improvements. Model 3 and Legacy Model Y, undocumented, available worldwide. Tesla has added a service mode improvements in this update. New A2B audio system panel is a new automotive audio bus. A2B audio panel is available to support audio system diagnosis relating to the A2B bus. It adds the ability to view the expanded nodes on the A2B bus, whatever. Okay, and this is for Model 3 2024 Plus and Model Y 2020 to 2024 with AMD Ryzen infotainment processor. I'm not going to open that, but it's pretty straightforward. There is a new UI for this A2B audio system, okay? And that's it. So these are all the undocumented changes that this new software update brought. Pretty cool. There are several new features and several undocumented changes. Most likely we'll see more undocumented changes because people are installing this update in these days. Okay. So check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla using my referral, the link is in the description. You get a discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.